Hi everyone! Today we are in the center of children's media creativity. This historic and beautiful building belongs to the Media Culture Center of Dresden. Animation studio Fantasia is situated here and held the 44th International Animation Workshops ANIMA 2026. So, let's visit it together!
It was kind of funny because my dad is the musician here, and he asked us 5 years ago if we would like to come to the ANIMA. And before that I didn't really thought about animate stuff, because I'm like drawing a lot but not animating, because animating is a whole world beneath drawing, and it's really difficult, but it's cool. It's a really nice world to go in. It's like a rabbit hole, and you never come out of animation because you learn and learn and learn. And
der Trickfilm hat ja die große Chance, die Fantasie zu beleben. Die Fantasie nimmt mit dem Alter immer ab, immer weniger fantasievolle Sachen. Und der Trickfilm kann gerade das noch weiter fördern. Das ist ganz wesentlich. Und dass natürlich ein Erfolgserlebnis da ist, dass Sie sehen, aha, mein Film gibt es Beifall, die Mutti hat sich gefreut, der Papa und eine Jury vielleicht auch, national, international. ANIMA ist für mich eine sehr schöne Begegnung mit jungen Leuten, deren Fantasie ich anrege.
My cartoon is about two robots ecology in space. These robots are saving the Earth. I like it because it's so beautiful to make. It's so hard, but when you're done with it, it's so beautiful.
The main thing is that you just want to try, and you want to try to express yourself, and you have to try to fight this fear of doing something badly or not knowing how to do it. Animation is an experiment. You can do something completely new, something somebody has never done before, and it might be bad and it might be good, but the idea is just to try it. And you don't need to know how to draw. You don't need to, be a great storyteller, but you can grow to learn those things. You just have to start. Yeah, that's it.
The movie is about my experience of my neighborhood changing. The main idea is how weird and the feeling of seeing your neighborhood changing on your eyes is strange and kind of isolating, and it's about like losing the sense of belonging inside your own house.
My film is about masking. This is a little bit complicated to explain. It's when you act and you didn't show other people who you are, and it's about to break free from this act.
My film is about two persons who run off each other and start fighting. Do not fight. Of the end shake hands for peace. It's not worth the small problem to kill each other. Just peace, just shake hands. That's it.
So my animation tells
about a fox which is like locked in the corridor, which is endless, and that's a metaphor for a life. People say that I look exactly like my character, like a fox, and this is just funny to hear because many people told me that.
Now I'm working on a film about two umbrellas that fall in love. So I think it's an inspiring love story, but also about loneliness. Well, just like life, everything ends. I think it's sad, but also it's very inspiring because it shows us that things end, but we have to keep trying. We have to keep trying to find happiness.
The idea didn't change through all those years, although of course the technique changed. But the idea is just to make it possible for young people to meet together, to work on films and to have fun in Dresden as a city. This ANIMA, it is as far special as we have now, even more technique as before. So it's very comfortable for everybody, for each participant to work as he wants.
Well, I've been working on this film for like 4 months already, and the main idea is to promote my book. It is a cinematic trailer for my book, and yeah, I'm using a very specific technique, blending 3D animation with paintings.
You build your puppet and then you have something and you can look at it and move it. And with drawing, you have to start each frame completely new and a blank page, and then, yeah, draw your character from the start. Yes, and that's quite hard, but I want to try it.
My film is based on the myth of the Plato, a Greek philosopher, the myth about the cave, where the people are looking at the wall and are contemplating different shadows. It is very difficult to make choice between light and the darkness.
The music is responsible for everything you feel. So when you just see the picture, you see the pictures and you think about, but you don't feel so much. And when there's music, you can feel. It has to do with the ears, which are always open. And we have also to see what is the essence of the movie. And this is, yeah.
To spend a week here without war, without bombing, with electricity, with hot water, with food, it's a really miracle.
ANIMA is a very beautiful workshop. It's nice and peaceful here, and you can talk with new people, find new friends, talk with teachers that will help you, and find the people with the same interest as you. We don't have a problem with communication, because we all speak in the same language of animation.
So ANIMA 2026 is coming to an end. Soon all the films which were made here will be shown on a big cinema screen. All the participants will get their prizes and diplomas and say goodbye to this ANIMA. And of course we'll be looking forward during the whole year to the next ANIMA. ANIMA 2027.